This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the Word through Tanvir Kazmi. Again, I'm here to discuss very quick, a small analysis on very sad news about a few weeks back, where a young American student leader getting very popular, last name Kirk, was murdered with a person who was far away, and he shot and put his bullet into his neck. He died on the spot. It was very sad news, and definitely it has spread all over the world. And again, as the life was taken, and he has children, and the wife, and the family, father and mother, they all are suffering with the sadness. So I was doing some research. Looks like his last name may be related to a Scottish background, his parents or grandparents from there. When I do a little bit more research, I found out that Scotland had fought many hundreds of years with the British rule. British rule was Church of England, maybe based on, again, it's all my personal analysis, I may be wrong. You can inform me if you see something I may not be correct based on my research on different media. So Church of England, if I see, maybe more related to the Trinity concept, God, Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. And the more research I see that Russia and Scotland may be related to the Holy Book and the oneness of God, which is very close to the teaching of the Quran. The Muslims, the submitter of God, is also followers or have some kind of beliefs. So I was, because Russia war, Ukraine war has taken so many lives, and continuous struggle with the Scotland, with so many wars, and millions of people died. So it may be also related to that same, again, religious differences, backgrounds, and hate and fear if that person comes forward, and that person will try to implement the way he thinks is right. It was very sad, and same thing I see in Islamic world or different religions. They have continued fighting each other on their religious beliefs. Basic religious belief has taken over millions of lives, and taken over the peace of the world. How many people are suffering in poverty, hunger, and the life? How much time our parents spend, thousand hours to born their child, raise their child, send them to school, to university, and just one bullet took that person's life and given so much pain and suffering to the people. Again, keep in your mind, God is continuing to tell us, O humanity, O children of Adam and Eve, your true enemy is Satan. He does not like human to rule the universe, and God was chosen you and asked everybody to bow in front of Adam, and he refused. He was from jinn. So we keep in mind a humanity, that people of all over the world, we are not different. Our faith, you look at your body, your face, and everything, our features are very much close to each other. So beware of the person or invisible enemy who is entire humanity, enemy. So based on our beliefs, our division of sects, we are taking each other's lives and killing each other and making this world more painful to live. Quran, Gospel, and Torah has condemned the division of religions into sects. It continues reminding us, O children of Adam, whenever a person comes to me and read my verses, commandments, the laws to you, listen to them and then think. Our test is very difficult. So based on, if you see how many lives has been taken through these wars, and they laugh at each other. If some practices in the world of natural alliance, that practice was forbidden into the Holy Book, and they have, the churches may have, not stopping them. Same thing, other churches and other mosques and all the worship places. God is continually reminding us to live, because I created you from the dust. Then I created you, every human, from the tiny drop. So I send you water, ants for the sky. I made you everything. So keep in your mind, O humanity, They do not divide yourself into groups. You all are one. I created you different to enjoy each other. So we need to learn not to create hate based on all the past wars, the past differences. Let's humanity come together. Let's bring our book and find a solution. You will get solution. Let's stop killing each other. Let's stop churches or any worship place create hate between us. We need to divide instead of dividing each other. We need to come and make one worship place. Let's together. Let's not kill any other parent's child, father suffering, mother suffering, and brothers and sisters and the friends. How many one life mean killing of entire humanity? That's said by God in all holy books. So let's sit down together and find a solution. There's no other way. If you continue to divide, Satan, our true enemy, will continue to destroy our peace. And he said, "Oh God, do you think you want to choose this to lead the universe? I will continue discourage his Adam's children, as though they all stay come with me into the fire of hell, which is not going to be the chance to come out. God has prepared for us true palaces, high palaces. All planets are waiting for us to live their forever life. So let's stop dividing and killing each other. Come back. Quran has been still there. Quran is there to guide us. I have researched a lot. This book has answers to all of our issues. Let's find a solution. Let's sit down together and ask questions and resolve our disputes. Let's come to the peace again. Let's love each other again. Let's not take somebody's son, husband, father, brother, friend. Let's live together. Take care. See you next time. Bye.